Alright, this is the laptop screen replacement for the Acer V5-571 model. I recently cracked the screen on it and need to replace it. So first thing that you need to do is you make sure that the laptop is shut down so that you don't damage anything. After you have it shut down, you'll need to remove the battery. You can do that by sliding over the little tab here as far over as it goes and pulling the battery out. Once you've done that, open up the laptop again, and you're going to use a small flathead screwdriver and just create a little opening. Now you'll hear it popping as you pull this off. That's natural. That's just it coming apart. Be gentle as you go around popping this off. Alright, now we've got it all off. From here, you'll need to flatten the screen and just pop it up. There. Now we got the front cover off. And you'll need to remove 4 screws that are holding the screen into the laptop case. Once you have those removed, you'll need to get the little connectors off. The microphone here and the webcam, you'll need to get those unconnected. So there's the connection right here. You'll need to just disconnect that. And the webcam connector is right here. You just pull that right off, comes right out. Once you've got that, go ahead and lower it down. And there's a piece of tape right here that connects the VGA connection to the screen. You'll want to lift that tape off. That's just there to make sure that it doesn't come out when you're moving the laptop. Once you've got that off, go ahead and just pull gently to remove the connector, the video connector, and that should pop right off. From here, very gently move this little wire connector. These are just kind of taped on there. Just gently pull that off. You want to continue prying until it's completely off your screen. Once you've got that, you can pull your screen off and it's completely out. And what you do from here is just reverse the process. You get your new screen, put the VGA connector in, put the webcam and the microphone connectors in, put the screws back in, and then put the cover back on. And you'll have your screen replaced. And that is the replacement for the laptop Acer Aspire V5-571.